All right, you guys, it is that time of the month again. We're going to go ahead and clean off July's tray and start doing August. July was actually a really good month. I love so many fragrances on the tray. So let's go ahead and get ready for August. First fragrance to the tray we're actually bringing is going to be a Mimic fragrance. And you guys, I really love my Mimic fragrances. Please excuse my nails as I just took them off and I'm clipping them down because I need a restart. But anyways, this is the fragrance that we're going to be bringing to the tray this month. This is a new one that I just recently picked up from Mimic. This one is 163 and it is a blend of Gelato Gourmand. This is a dupe for Bianco Latte. If you're looking for a really good dupe, you guys, this is one of them. I always have my discount codes in the description. I do have a discount code with Mimic if you guys are interested, but this is so good. And I'm thinking about doing a video talking about specifically some Mimic fragrances. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. But this is the first fragrance coming to the tray. The other Mimic fragrance I'm bringing to the tray is 107, and this one is a blend of peachy fruits. This is supposed to be a dupe for KKW fragrance. I forgot the name of that one. I think peach something, but this one is really nice, and I haven't played with this in quite some time, so I'm excited to bring this one to the tray. Alright, you guys, now last month I brought a couple Escada fragrances to the tray, and this is another one that I wanted to pull out, but because I also had a couple watermelon fragrances last month, I didn't want to pull it out. But this is Escada Sorbetto Rosso, and you guys, this is a amazing watermelon fragrance. If you love something really fresh, very juicy, like watermelon candy, you guys will love this one. I purchased this one last year. I was still seeing it in my local TJ Maxx and Marshalls, so if you're looking for it, I think this is a really nice watermelon fragrance, and it's very inexpensive. So we're going to be putting her on the tray. Alright, you guys, a fragrance that I actually had on the tray last month and I'm bringing it back is going to be this one. This is the Michelle Germain Sugarful Sunshine, and I just feel like I didn't get a chance to wear this one as much as I wanted. I did get some usage out of her last month. If you can see, she's a really nice pineapple fragrance, but I want to use her a little bit more since the summer is coming to an end, and I think August is the perfect ending month. So yeah, we're going to be putting this back on the tray. Fragrance I was really excited to be bringing to the tray is going to be my Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. This is the EDP. I did have the EDT in a travel size and I used it up, you guys, and it just got me excited for this type of fragrance. This is definitely a summer type of fragrance. It's perfect to end the summer with, and I can't wait to play with this one a little bit more. Guys, the next fragrance I'm bringing to the tray is by Finery, and this one is Magnetic Candy. I'm so sorry if you can hear my husband in the background. He's on a call and I have to film, so yeah. But this is Magnetic Candy. This is kind of a dupe for like that Love Don't Be Shy. I think it's by Rado Sunday, something like that. But yeah, it's just a really sweet fragrance. So I wanted to bring a little bit of more sweetness to the tray this month, so we had to put her on here. And it's been months since I've played with this one. Maybe like I haven't probably used this one all year, honestly. Then we're bringing out one that I got last year and I really enjoyed. This is by Amir and this is Mango Punch. I don't really enjoy mango fragrances all that much, but the ones that I do enjoy, I really do. And this is one I actually really like. It's perfect to end August with. Alright, the last couple of months I have been playing with my Victoria's Secret fragrances, and we're going to go ahead and continue. This is a Victoria's Secret fragrance. This is Bombshell Glamour, and I think this one came out last year. This one is like a sweet champagne-y type of fragrance, and again, I think this is perfect for ending summer. This is also a really nice like New Year's coming into the year type of fragrance as well, but I feel like she hasn't been getting any love, so I wanted to go ahead and play with her. All right, now moving on, we have a Bath and Body Works fragrance. This is Calypso Clementine. You guys, this one is so good. I have a lot of this that I'm bringing to the tray this month. I have my body butter and my spray as well. I cannot wait to play with this one a little bit more. This one really shocked me last year when I got it. I think I got it during SAS on sale for like 75% off. She was so good, so I can't wait to play with her. Now I'm bringing another mango fragrance. You guys, this tray is full of tropical fruits, and this is by Juliana's Perfume, and this is her neurotic mango, and I forgot what this is a dupe for, but I'm just really feeling mango this month. Anything really juicy and fruity this month. September, I'm going to be adding some more cozy scents, and I just want to get a lot of my fruity scents that I didn't get a chance to play with this summer out. So we're going to be adding her to the tray. Two pink fragrances. This one is going to be the Pink for All. This is Balance. I think this one has like some eucalyptus in here or something. I don't know. It's a fresh like green fragrance, so I just wanted to play with her because I was honestly debating on getting rid of these, but I'm gonna see if I can get some usage out of her this month. If I don't, then I might add her to a declutter in the future. The other pink fragrance is going to be Optimism, and this one has a pineapple note in here, and I've been playing with this one for the last few days, so she has a little bit of a dent in here, and so far so good. I did some pineapple things that I'm going to be playing with this month, so yeah, I'm excited to play with her more. And then the very last fragrance coming to the tray is actually one that I don't even know the name of it, but this is a Juicy Couture fragrance. I can't remember what it's called. It was like 3 or 4 of these little ones. I had them a few years ago, but this is the only one that I really enjoyed, and I wanted to go ahead and put her on the tray, so that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, you guys, this is my tray for August. I really enjoy this tray. I think she looks so good. I love it. And then over here we have a lot of my body care. Some of this is going to be in my project Use It Up. Some of this is just sitting here because I want to use some of this, but obviously sometimes I switch it out, but this is definitely the main body care that I'm going to be using for the month. Over here I have a lot of my travel spray items that I have been using that just gonna stay for the month. A lot of this has really been here for the entire summer, so I'm going to leave all of this here. You've seen this before. I want to say the only new thing that I've added in here was this one, a new fragrance from Skylar, and this is Banana Candy, and this is so good, you guys. Oh my god, I did a video some time ago talking about the Skylar subscriptions. You guys, if you have not subscribed, you should. This is so good, and they bring out fragrances that you don't really get a chance to see in their regular line. Love that one, and this one as well. This one is the Skylar Sweet Nothing, so I will have that video linked. So yeah, you guys, that is it. That's basically everything that I am bringing to the tray this month. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye guys.